Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Nexo, so your mileage may vary. Nexo is a platform found at https://nexo.io that offers a variety of financial services, primarily focusing on cryptocurrency-related products. Their offerings include earning interest on deposited crypto assets, borrowing against your holdings, and swapping between different cryptocurrencies. One of Nexo's key selling points is their relatively high interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, potentially offering a compelling alternative for crypto holders. They also provide instant crypto loans, allowing users to access liquidity without selling their assets. Furthermore, Nexo supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, giving users flexibility in managing their digital portfolios. The platform also boasts robust security measures to protect user funds, which is a crucial consideration in the often volatile cryptocurrency market. While Nexo presents some interesting features, it's important to conduct your own research and understand the risks associated with any cryptocurrency investment platform. Factors to consider include regulatory compliance, platform stability, and the potential impact of market fluctuations on your investments. Nexo has garnered a significant user base and is generally viewed as a reputable platform within the crypto lending space. However, it's always prudent to exercise caution and not invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, so staying informed and keeping up to date with the latest developments is vital for making sound financial decisions. Nexo is a potentially valuable tool for managing and growing your crypto holdings, but it's essential to approach it with a well-informed and cautious perspective. By carefully considering the risks and rewards, you can make the most of the opportunities presented by platforms like Nexo while safeguarding your financial well-being. Don't hesitate to explore their website and delve into the details of their services to determine if Nexo aligns with your investment goals. Remember, thorough research is your best ally in the world of cryptocurrency.